You guys might hear some background noise, so I'm sorry for that in advance. So I'm recording this video just to showcase my work, which I was doing from past 10 days. So this application I was working on it. It's called GhoomoYara. So the concept and the idea of this application is a group of uh, a group of people can plan their travel and add their day-to-day itineraries. They can add their budget. They can do they can add their checklist, what they have to do category wise. So I'll try to explain each and everything one by one, and I'll just do demo of it. The tech stack I used here, it's React and Tailwind CSS for the CSS styling designing part, and for backend it's a Supabase. It's a PostgreSQL. Uh, so I'll try to first walk you through and the kind of features which took some time to me to develop, and I'll also tell where I took some help from the AI, just to you can say the co-developing the part of application where I did. So which I which I cannot say I'm properly proud of it. I'll look into it and I try to implement it much more accurately. So this is the landing page. The landing page is all the idea was to I saw the cursor. So it's my personal opinion, the cursor landing page is quite good. It actually tells a story where you can see, right, each and everything is in center. So as a human tendency and human behavior, we always try to look something into center. Our first attention goes to the center, not to left or right. So this is why I kept each and everything in center. And the code, the code I've just used, it's a normal HTML and CSS, nothing, no JavaScript here. So this the section, you can see, I try to use left and right, something kind of direction, which we see, right, left direction, right direction. So each and every direction tells us the kind of features which I have included. You can see day to day itineraries made simple. So and then we have one place for every rupee. It's just tracking your money, whatever you have planned for the trip, and you can upload manually, or you can manually add your expenses, and then it will track it. And then pack smarter for forget nothing is a checklist. You can add all your checklist and all, you can do your things. So here, just a normal, simple demo I would try to do: create trip, plan together, go explore. And then here just try GhoomoYara. Now it's one normal, simple thing I've added, which we see in normal application, right? If we try to go Agoda.com, there we see they mention this kind of thing. So I try to take some inspiration from there. And once you click here, the login section has two separate part, as every website should have: login and the sign up thing. So sign up, ask for full name, email and password. So once you enter each and every section correctly, and first of all, I've not added the validation part because it was taking much more time. So I just wanted to keep each and everything minimalistic. But yeah, in future the plan is to add the validation part also, so, some negative scenario handling, which I'll do it. So full name, email and password. So once you enter it, you hit on the create account button. Whatever email address you have added here, you will get confirmation email. Once you confirm it, you can go to the login page and enter your email and password, and simply you can enter into the application. So I'm just using one of application which I used. Yeah, so here you can see, this is the dashboard section. trips by default selected. So we have a memory feature also, which I'll come back to it later. Here we have a create new trip button and view details. You can delete your trip and all those things are there. So this is destination. It's a static section. It's not. I'm not using any AI for it, which you can use it if you want to use it, because there are so many free AIs. AIs are, sorry, I said AI, but I should have said API. So I'm not using any API for it, but we do have APIs which you can use it to generate this generic images. So what I did, I just took 10 to 15 splash images, and then run a function on it, randomly pick any of the image, and it will show in your card. The Just a normal, just to design a card. This is why I kept it. So recent activity section are here. Whatever things you have added or made some changes inside the trips, you can also check it in the dashboard section here. Now, going to this section, you have collaboration features, which I was talking about in start of the video, right? There are a few features which took some time, or understanding was bit different. So the UI part I did it, but when I had to try for the developing a schema and add like how I can how I'm going to work with, suppose there is a trip owner and a person who is in trip, who can have the access to it, and how already existing person can be in another trip. So it's like one to many relation, many to many relation, all those things I had to consider. So I tried to do it myself, but at the end I had to take some help from the AI, which also I'll try to do from my end also in future, but as of now it's code developed by AI. And for this trip to Bali section, so it just you can edit your things here. So you just click on edit, it will edit it. And now it has day wise itinerary. Here you can just we have a first a normal to show date part, and then here it's a chat section. So chat section is, once again, it was a bit of complicated. I did the UI part, even the backend part was also fine, but the only thing was I was stuck how I can separate the two chat session, and just to maintain the isolation part. So the isolation part was a bit different. So that's why this is also co-developed by AI. And here add activity, you can just add your activities, whatever you want to do, title, subtitle, time, and the type of activity you have: flight, hotel, sightseeing, dining, whatever you have planned for it, you can do it. And again, for day wise 2, again the chat is isolation part. So the best part was for me was, you can just separate your chat session. So each and every session are different for each and every day. It has two other sub features: budget. So in budget, once you set the total budget, and once you start adding the ad expenses, this two section gets implemented. When you add your expenses, it will handle by how many you have spent, how many it is remaining. And then checklist section, it is category checklist kind of thing. So you might want to add a packaging suitcase, or handling hotels booking. Did you for airport checkout, you wanted to have a luggage and your passport, each and everything's are in place or not. So it's just a normal checklist before packing your suitcase, and before moving from one place to another place. You want to have some checklist to be checked, right? So this is section is all about that. And here you can say enter a category and checklist item. So here also you can add a multiple items, but if you have forget something, you can edit from here also with enter keyword and also the plus icon. Both are supported. And now, coming back to the, so for setting section, it's normal. I'll try to work on the upload feature later part. This was secondary, I didn't, but if you want to have it, you can do it. I will also upload the repository link, so you can go ahead and use it. So here it's a bio section, and also your social media. I try to edit, and this is all about the setting. Now coming back to the memories part. Memories, it track your whatever the trips completed day, have you traveled, activities done, and upcoming. So all these things are here. Just like plan your trip from here. Also you can do it. And then we have simply your profile, who has logged in, and then a logout feature. So this is all about the app. I clicked on logout, so it will come back to the handling page, landing page. So what I can do was I'll also put some my repository link. If you want to go ahead and do it, and if you want to do it by your own, you can do it. If you find this design very helpful to you, in repository itself I have added the screenshots of the design. You can go ahead, and also this application is deployed on this URL. You can have a look and try to implement by yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do try to comment, and let me know if what could I have done it something better than this, and I would love to know your opinion on it. So thank you.